After 18 months of strain, Quebec's healthcare system may be looking at a little more just around the corner. The clock is ticking down to the October 15th deadline for healthcare workers to be vaccinated, and some are warning that mandate won't come without a cost.
Our biggest worry right now is that we won't have enough staff to give proper care to the population.
Christina Hoare is with the Nurses Union. She represents about 3,400 nurses in the regional health board that covers Montreal's West Island. Right now, Hoare says about 7% of her members aren't vaccinated, but that in the middle of a pandemic, they can't afford to lose them.
Right now, with those 7% on the floor, we're missing staff at a critical level. So removing 7% more is just going to make things a whole lot worse.
They will not be able to work.
Quebec's health minister says the province isn't changing its mind. Christian Dubé says about 16,000 healthcare workers still aren't vaccinated, but he says things are going in the right direction. 300 to 400 healthcare workers are getting their first dose each day.
If they get their first dose immediately over the next few days, the penalty of not receiving their salary will be limited.
Now, speed is one of the criticisms out there. Some of the health unions say they support the vaccination mandate, but that the deadline was too quick. They say it's left members nervous. The pressure they're feeling is about to get worse.
Obviously, that's a worry. People have been working at 150% since a year and a half now.
It will have an impact, but it's not going to be huge.
Dr. Gilbert Boucher represents emergency medicine specialists. He says contingencies are already being made to work around the people who'll be missing. But Boucher says the mandate is needed to protect patients. A vaccinated doctor or nurse can still catch COVID and be contagious, but much more so if they're unvaccinated.
When we do testing on people, if you're double vaccinated, you're infected, we detect a little bit of virus. But if you're not vaccinated, it's millions and millions of virion you're shooting everywhere.
Letters are going out right now in Quebec to unvaccinated healthcare workers. The health minister says it's to make it clear the mandate is happening and they're going to be without a paycheck soon. Mike Armstrong, Global News, Montreal.